Through the skies with ease and grace, my nerves not steady, my fear slightly displaced. Up above the rolling hills stretch below, across the fields a farmer has sown. A seat within this metal bird, the kids have arranged and conquered. The Peak District for me is common ground, but the unfamiliar view from the sky is profound. This solo experience slicing through sun-kissed clouds, soaring across valleys, excitement aroused. Join us today in this high-flying vlog, where I trade in Ethel and leave her in a car park pog.
Hi guys, this is the Travels of Ethel.
I'm Oliver.
And I'm Leanne. And today we're just having a boring Sunday day out. No, we're not! Guess where we're going? In a helicopter!
Come to pick me up.
We are first heading off to get some lunch. Where are you taking us?
Yeah, so we're going to go to a Ragazzi's, which is a little coffee shop in Sheffield, well, just out Sheffield City Centre.
Oh, Tia's driving! And I'm afraid
Sporadically.
you've got to hold on tight. We are first heading to Ragazzi's for some lunch.
Ragazzi's is a cafe, delicatessen and shop located in Sheffield. Open 7 days a week, it offers a taste of Italy, selling Italian produce all year round.
So we're currently sat in Ragazzi's now, and girls have just gone to look what sandwiches they want and have a quick bite to eat.
We came here for our very, very first date, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, yeah. We sat in that chair over there, yeah. All went downhill from there for me.
The owners pride themselves in maintaining quality, integrity and provenance within their supplies and hold a strong passion for their business and the produce they bring to their customers. A small and quaint shop with a real intimate feel, a warm and friendly atmosphere greets each person that steps through their doors, along with tasty sandwiches, sweet treats and the most excellent coffee that can be found in Sheffield City. As a result of this, its excellent service and high quality wares, it has earned its place in the travel book 100 Things to Do in Sheffield. So if you're in the town, don't take our word for it, pop in and live the experience for yourself.
We've just come out of Ragazzi's now and I'm still picking bit pieces up, to be honest. It's just cost us 45 quid for 4 sandwiches and a couple of coffees.
Oh yeah, there's a helicopter there. Just right in front of us. So where am I parking? That looks a bit dodgy small. In here, in this pub.
No.
Why? There's nowhere to park there.
Oh my freaking god, there's a big helicopter come to pick me up.
Oliver, you excited?
Yeah, I'm a little bit now, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, just got here now. Look at this, I'm going in that.
For Oliver's birthday this year, the girls kindly bought him a helicopter ride. So here we are in the Peak District, which is Oliver's favourite place. And he's going to go on a helicopter ride with champagne and chocolates. And we get to stand here and wait in the cold.
I can't wait. I'm not even bothered that you're going to be studying freezing. I'm just looking forward to it. It's going to be right romantic. And I've my bottle of bubbly, my Ferrero Rochers. Got to go and check in and get the flight number and my aviation jacket and my aviators.
I'm a tiny bit jealous. I want to play. Are you excited?
I am a little bit, yeah, I'm not going to lie. I can't wait, actually.
Why am I more excited than Oliver and I'm not even going on?
Can't wait. I've just had my briefing night. We're all very serious. And his main worry were don't open the door because they're not locked. Oh, we'll do it from the side at walls.
They're top quality, they're from sheep.
Come
on, just do it.
No, I'm
Just
not.
do it, smart.
I'm not pulling up
Come on,
faces on
just
this.
do it.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
I'm excited, guys. It's happening. I'm not in front seat though. She's travelling solo. She's a loser.
So we're stood here now. Oliver's in the air, in the helicopter. I don't know about you. I'm a little bit jealous.
I'm jealous. It looks right good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I want to fly.
I'm definitely eating his chocolate.
I might drink his bubbly out of sheer depression. Just been saying it looks quite a cloudy day, as though it could be rain and thunderstormy. Tia's wishing Oliver dead by a thunderstorm striking of lightning and laughing about it. Laughing!
Yeah,
Are you cold, Tia?
Freezing. It's freezing. And windy as well.
I wonder what he's seeing. I'm right jealous. I'm a little bit cold, but we can actually see him flying around, which is pretty cool. There's Oliver right just there. He's a dart. Here he is. There's Oliver.
Landing now, safe and sound, thank God.
Friend zone, with you is like being in the end zone. Touchdown, touchdown, ayy. I be in the body like a tempo. In my heart beating with the tempo. Ain't the game running through your tempo. Bust down, ayy.
That were wicked, that. It's surreal. You feel right discombobulated up there, like I didn't know which direction we were going, then all of a sudden we were coming by and I could just see all your lot and it were right weird. You know, like you don't really know where you're going.
Where did it go?
Just sort of round in circles, round here over some farmland and stuff like that, but it goes over at 5,000 feet. I thought, you know, we're alright though. It were alright, but it was wicked actually. Right good experience. It'd have been good if it were about half an hour longer. We could have gone over Castleton and stuff like that, but we're wicked though. Wicked.
What you got, Oliver? Oliver, what you got?
I've got my photo.
Oh, it was really cool.
I've just finished my helicopter ride now. It was absolutely brilliant actually. It's the first time I've ever been in a helicopter, by the way. It feels really surreal when you're up there, like you lose orientation and stuff like that and you don't really know where you're going. And even when it turns it ever so slightly, it feels like you're lent on your side massively. I don't really know where we went. We just sort of went around like this surrounding area, which is all about in Peak District. I don't really know where we went because, as I say, I kind of lost my footing. Yeah, it was right good though. I got a box of chocolates and some bubbly. I had to wear a headset as well that we could talk to other people, but everyone was being right quiet. Like I don't know if everyone were a bit nervous or it was just because we were a group of strangers. I don't know, but yeah, it was really good though. There was a young lad in there, he looked like he loved it. So yeah, definitely go again. It was wicked.
And that is it, guys, for today's video.
Yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant. Actually, I right enjoyed it. It's been a wicked present.
You may have traded Ethel in for today, but we are back in Ethel on our next vlog. So if you fancy joining us,
Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell.
Give us a like and leave us a comment.
If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up as well.